All right, so there's a couple of different ways you can make the text bigger on your Android tablet. Let's go to Settings first, and on the left sidebar, we'll navigate to Display. Once we're in the display settings, you can scroll down and you'll find a menu for font size and style. This is pretty self-explanatory. You can adjust the style of your font by making it bolder, or even by changing the standard font to something else. And then there's the font size slider, which allows you to increase or decrease the size of the text on your tablet. When I slide it up, you'll see how everything on my screen becomes bigger. The change takes a few seconds to go through, but the whole settings and all my menus are following the font size setting that I set from here. We can do similar changes through the Accessibility menu. I'll go to Settings and then navigate to Accessibility and Vision Enhancements. Here I can, for example, change my display to use a high contrast setting or enlarge the display. If I scroll down a bit, there's also a feature called Magnification. Magnification allows you to essentially zoom in on your display, either on a small part of it or the entire display. You can set your tablet to trigger magnification by a few different gestures, for example by triple tapping the screen, or you can set to have a little accessibility button in the bottom right corner. You can set it to zoom in on a part of your screen or the entire screen. And with magnification on, you can pinch to zoom in, and use two fingers to navigate across your display. This is a pretty cool feature and can be a huge help for those users who struggle to see all the small text and tiny buttons on the screen. You can leave magnification on as long as you want, or you can toggle it on and off whenever needed. This is how magnification would look if you've set it to zoom in the entire display. Everything is zoomed in, and I can move around by dragging with two fingers on the screen. And of course, I can use my fingers to pinch in or out to adjust the level of zoom. If I set it to partial screen, you'll see how a part of the screen gets zoomed in and the rest stays at the normal scale. I can move this part around, and I can drag the handle from the corner of this window to adjust how large the magnified window is. Pretty cool. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.